Economics is the study of how people make choices about using limited resources. Since resources are finite, individuals, businesses, and governments must decide how to use what they have most effectively. Understanding economics helps us see how these choices impact our lives and the world around us. One key concept is scarcity. Scarcity means that there are limited resources to meet unlimited wants. This forces everyone to make decisions about what to prioritize. For instance, if we want more of something, we might need to give up something else. Another important concept is supply and demand. Supply refers to how much of a product is available, and demand is how much people want it. When demand is high and supply is low, prices tend to rise. On the other hand, if supply is high and demand is low, prices usually drop. This balance helps determine market prices. Opportunity cost is what we give up when making a choice. For example, if you choose to study instead of watching TV, the opportunity cost is the enjoyment you missed out on. Recognizing opportunity cost helps us make better decisions. Economic systems are the methods countries use to manage production and distribution. There are different types, such as capitalism, socialism, and mixed economies, each with unique ways of allocating resources. Economics teaches us how to manage resources wisely, promotes growth, and ensures stability. It guides daily decisions from personal budgeting to government policies. By understanding economics, we learn to make informed choices that benefit both ourselves and the larger community.